right, I just received this, a Canon EOS RP mirrorless SLR camera. I think that's how you call it. Let's see if there's anything interesting around. Nope, let's just get this thing open and see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Yep, that's the warranty stuff. There's your booklet. Look how thick it is, about 1/4 inch. Probably has a bunch of different languages. Oh, it's got your Canon image thing. Bam, comes with a battery. One battery, put that there. Comes with a charger for the battery. Put that there. Dun, 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 dun. You get a strap, which I do use them sometimes. And we'll put that over there. And here is the lens. Oh, it's got a great lens with it too, from what I understand. Let's put the lens right there for now. And here's the body of the camera. There it is. You guys ready for the unveiling? It's small, but that's what I want because I'm going to Yellowstone. Cha-ching. There it is. Look at it. Look at that bad boy. There she is, EOS R. And I got this one. I was going to get the cheaper one, but I got this one because I want to have this folding LCD screen so that I can shoot this way and still see like what's going on. And oh yeah, it's got a nice viewfinder on it. That's exactly what you want. So that looks pretty darn sweet. Now we just got to figure out how to use it. All right, so we've got it unboxed and unwrapped, and this is everything that I purchased. What we have here is 24 to 105, and it looks like a pretty good lens. You know, not bad. We have the body of the camera, plus it comes with this cover, and it's super light. There's the overlook on it, so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like and what the controls are like. And I think they're going to be very much like, you know, other Canon cameras. It comes with the strap here. Comes with the charger and one battery. And you don't get a card with this, so you got to buy a card. So we're going to have to order some cards. But that's everything that's in it. Now, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to go through this camera and show you guys how to use this. And I'm going to do that in the next couple days. Canon makes awesome products. I've been using them for years. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.